We got Ronald, the best cutter out here, Ronald.
Okay, you ready? Okay, go ahead, Ronald.
Go ahead, Ronald.
Turn it over. We're gonna do the same thing. Okay, we're gonna make another.
Hard work is
Where
easy
does the
work.
screw go?
That's what I'm talking about, Ronald. Doing a good job, bro.
Let's see. All right. Can you see the line?
Barely, but
Okay, get ready. Here you go. Go for it.
But it's for its other side.
okay.
So it'll be like parallel to each other.
Uh-huh.
And this is going to be.
That's almost done. What do you have left to it?
Really, I think just some more nails. Just hammer it down some more.
What's it here?
Okay. This is where we have our fish and the water. And
Oh, really?
because the plants will be kind of like right there. But it's up against the wall in a vertical row instead of like a piece like that.
Okay.
So then they'll be lined up with this, and like the water will go and shoot up.
Little pipes here.
Little pipe right there. The water will go through the okay. This smaller, longer tube right here will go into the water box, and it'll shoot the water up through. This is the half-inch PVC.
Yes.
Yeah, through this half-inch PVC pipe right here. Then the water will go in. Because if we turn on, this is a way that we turn our valves right here, the blue valves. Because they're the same thing over there with the, at the top.
Oh, yes, I see it.
If we turn them a certain way, it'll flow or it'll like hold some, and then the rest of them to get some more water. Like that. So
Okay,
then
makes
the
sense.
water will flow through these 4-inch PVC pipes right here. And here will be where our plants will be. It'll be like some holes, kind of like that one. And then it'll flow down through here. And then it'll just look like have a way of getting back into the water. The ground out here got like some wires and lines and stuff that's going to run. I think y'all made a trench while with it.
Yes, we made a trench.
Trench underground with our cord that's under the ground, and they probably run it from here to there, and they're gonna go into our grow room. Then they'll go in because plants need not just sunlight but light itself to make photosynthesis.
Go to the grow room.
It's gonna we're gonna have some light bulbs in there that'll be powered by the solar panels right there. Okay. And then they'll go and be on, and it'll give the green plants the green glow.
So where are the wires coming up, Chase?
They'll be coming up.
Right there. No.
Well, somewhere like around.
Right here, Chase.
Oh, right here. There you go. It won't be too far.
So what's going to happen once the power gets in here?
Once we get everything powered, solar panels will go and they'll power the water that'll pump through here, it'll power the lights, and I think that's it.